Welcome, trailblazers and truth seekers. Today we embark on a journey of inspiration, celebrating powerful leadership and groundbreaking achievements. We're shining a spotlight on the extraordinary women who have not just led, but transformed nations across Africa, the continent's pioneering female presidents. In a political landscape often dominated by men, these women rose to the highest office, breaking barriers and setting precedents for generations to come. Their stories are not just about power, but about resilience, vision, and an unwavering commitment to their people. Let's meet them. Our first leader is a true titan, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf of Liberia. Born in 1938, she made history as the first democratically elected female head of state in Africa. Taking office in 2006 after years of brutal civil war, President Sirleaf inherited a nation in ruins. Her election sparked hope worldwide, and she served 2 terms until 2018. Her key highlights and achievements are peace and stability. She played a crucial role in consolidating peace and promoting reconciliation after a devastating 14-year civil war. Economic revival. Under her leadership, Liberia saw significant foreign investment, debt relief, and economic growth, rebuilding critical infrastructure. Nobel Peace Prize. In 2011, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize alongside Leymah Gbowee and Tawakkol Karman in recognition of her nonviolent struggle for the safety of women and for women's rights to full participation in peace-building work. A monumental achievement. President Sirleaf's legacy is one of bringing a nation back from the brink, demonstrating that peace and prosperity can emerge from the ashes of conflict, guided by strong, visionary leadership. Next, we turn to Joyce Banda of Malawi. Born in 1950, her journey to the presidency was one of resilience and a commitment to women's empowerment. President Banda served from 2012 to 2014, ascending to office constitutionally after the death of the incumbent president. Her key highlights and achievements: economic reforms. Facing severe economic challenges, she implemented austerity measures and devalued the currency to stabilize the economy, though these decisions were initially unpopular. Gender equality advocate. She was a vocal champion for women's rights in education, launching initiatives to empower women in business and politics. Poverty alleviation. Focused efforts on poverty reduction, particularly for rural communities. Joyce Banda's time in office, though brief, underscored her determination to steer Malawi towards recovery and her unwavering dedication to the most vulnerable citizens, especially women. Our newest trailblazer is Samia Suluhu Hassan of Tanzania. Born in 1960, her ascension to the presidency marked another historic moment for the continent. President Hassan became the first female president of Tanzania in March 2021, following the death of President John Magufuli, having served as his vice president since 2015. Key highlights and achievements so far. Diplomatic re-engagement. She quickly moved to re-establish and strengthen international diplomatic ties, improving Tanzania's global standing. COVID-19 response. Shifted Tanzania's approach to the COVID-19 pandemic, emphasizing scientific guidance and public health measures. Economic reforms and investment. Advocating for increased foreign investment and a more open business environment. Freedom of expression has taken steps towards fostering a more open society regarding freedom of expression and media. President Hassan is quickly proving to be a unifying and progressive leader, steering Tanzania with a steady hand into a new era of engagement and development. And the most recent addition to this groundbreaking group is Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah of Namibia. A veteran politician and freedom fighter, her victory is a culmination of a decades-long commitment to her country. After serving as Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of International Relations, she was sworn in on March 21, 2025, becoming Namibia's first female president since its independence. Her key highlights and focus. Economic diversification. A key focus of her early term is addressing high unemployment and diversifying the economy beyond mining, emphasizing value addition. Green energy potential. She champions the development of Namibia's vast green hydrogen and renewable energy resources, positioning the country as a global leader in sustainable energy. Political veteran. Her long political career including time in exile during the liberation struggle, underscores her deep experience and commitment to democratic institutions. President Nandi Ndaitwah is a powerful symbol of competence and merit, demonstrating that a deep connection to a country's struggle and a clear vision for its future are the hallmarks of great leadership. These four phenomenal women, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, Joyce Banda, Samia Suluhu Hassan, and Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah, represent more than just individual success stories. They symbolize a powerful shift, demonstrating that gender is no barrier to the highest office in Africa. Globally, only a small percentage of countries have ever been led by a woman. Africa, often stereotyped, is actively contributing to changing this narrative, showing incredible progress and potential. Their leadership inspires millions of young girls and women across the continent and beyond, proving that the highest echelons of power are within reach. They've championed peace, economic growth, and fundamental human rights, leaving an indelible mark on history. The journey for gender equality and leadership is ongoing, but these women have not just opened doors, they've built new pathways. Their stories remind us that true leadership knows no gender, only vision, courage, and dedication to service. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey. If you were moved by these stories, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content that celebrates African excellence and leadership.